Welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. Glad you are here. On this video, we're going to go over the inserts and what we could expect on April 19, which is this Sunday coming up. I don't know how you get your inserts. At least in some cases for me, I just order it from a coupon fairy from Instagram, and I get them mailed to my house, and I get them usually on Saturday, so that way it gives me time to get prepared. This is a great way to avoid going out, and you could just go ahead and get those coupons, and you don't want to miss out. But let's go inside and see if it's worth getting it this Sunday, which is April 19th. So we are expecting 2 different inserts. And as you see, we are expecting a Smart Source, which is the one that is offering tons of main products, which is going to be on special at CVS. And then we have the Retailmenot. They're both for April 19. And you will see that there's great coupons there like Axe, Tresemme, Love, Beauty, and Planet, and Rimmel is also part of that, but there's many great coupons so far. So let's go ahead and let's start seeing inside. As you see, we're going to start with the Retailmenot, and this is a cover how it's going to look like, but keep in mind that everything varies by region. Some of the coupons that I might show you, this is from provided by Bargains F&J, that's their Instagram account, and this is from the New Jersey area. So remember, in your area you might get different coupons, so you might not get some of them. So this is what it looks like for that region. So right on the bottom we have Listerine. There's 2 great coupons there. Sometimes we get printables, and I've seen so far for CVS for the upcoming ad, it's just going to be buy one get one, I think 40% off. So this is good to hold on to those coupons for future deals. Then we have Suave, $1 off 1 for hair care, but it does say Suave for men. So if the men is going to be included in the deal, then this will be a great coupon to have. The next one is all allergy relief. If this is something that you need, it's great to get the product, but take advantage of the coupons. So there's 3 different ones here, from Benadryl to Zyrtec. The next page we have Snuggle, and these is like the plugins. So this is Snuggle oil refill or oil diffuser, and then right up underneath we have the other, which is all fragrance products. The next page we're looking into the insert. We're still on the Retailmenot for April 19. I'm excited that we have this one as well. We have the Suave Professional, and as you noticed a few pages previously, we did have the Suave for men. So this coupon is the Suave Professional, so that means that we're going to be able to take advantage of these coupons, since most of these are a limit of 2 in one in a transaction or in a day. So that's what we see on the top, and then right underneath I'm excited to see Axe. This one is, you're going to be able to save $1.25 when you buy Axe body wash products. So I'm glad to see this coupon, and as you know, it probably might be a limit of 2. The next page on this same insert, we have 2 different type of Tresemme, and once we see these coupons, normally we see the deals coming to, at least to CVS, and that's exactly the case. We're going to be seeing Tresemme on special, and we have 2 separate coupons here. We have the 5 off 2. This is for the Pro Pure products, and then right next to it are the other type of Tresemme, which are the ones you see right here, which the coupon will apply to those products. This one is interesting. This is a product that I really want to try more for the home. As you see, there's 2 separate coupons. You see 7th generation, Love Home, and Planet. I have not tried the Love Home, so I'm excited to see if I find this type of product at CVS. I have not seen it online, so maybe it's new. It does say new, so maybe that's why I'm not seeing it online, but I'm excited that there's coupons, and hopefully they expire much later, which they expire on May 3rd, I believe. So this one will save 2 off with 7th generation. It's called Easy Dose Ultra Concentrated Laundry Detergent, and then they have the same one for the Love Home and Planet, and it's also an Easy Dose Ultra Concentrated Laundry Detergent. So they look pretty good, and I really want to try this product, so hopefully we start seeing deals on that, and hopefully we see them online as well. So then we move on, and of course we see now Love, Beauty, and Planet products. There's 3 different coupons there. I am working on some deals for that, and this is for off 2. It says any products. It does tell you which one is excluded. This one is $1.50 for also any products, but it does exclude liquid hand wash. Then this one is off, deducting $1 off one liquid hand wash. So that's why this one is excluded here, because you do have another coupon for that. So I really like this brand, and I'm glad to see that we are seeing other coupons coming up on this Sunday's paper. Next, we have some food items, at least on this page. We have helmets for 25 cents off one. I know it is pretty low, but sometimes we find many great deals at Publix, and that's when I kind of stock up on that. And then right underneath, oh my gosh, I love this ice cream, Talenti. I really, really love this ice cream. I actually kept these containers, and I did kind of like a DIY with them. I thought they were too cute with the lid too. So I'm glad to see that there's coupons. This is save $1 off one. And I'm proud, most likely it's going to be a limit of 2. So hopefully I find some deals to take advantage of that coupon. Next, we're back to hair care products. In this case is Dove. This one is men care. Dove Men Plus Care hair care products, save 2 off 2. And then right underneath we have a 2 off 2 as no. Is this 2 off 2? No, this is 2 off 1. This is for hair care, but it's telling you the Amplify product, and then underneath is 2 off 2 hair care products. So there's 2 separate coupons there. So let's move on to the next page. And the next page is going to be the next book, because we just completed Retailmenot insert. So now let's go ahead and move on to Smart Source. Right away you see in the cover Tom's of Maine. I'm glad when we see some deals, because we get to try them because they're a little expensive. In this one, I believe it's a new product. As you see, it's new. It's prebiotic personal care. So it is a pretty high value coupon. I tried searching online for this brand. I still have not seen it on CVS. So maybe this is a coupon that we could use in the future, since it does expire, I believe, on the end of May. So it's good to at least have this book. Right next to it, we have continue with Maine prebiotic liquid hand soap or bar, and then we have Tom's of Maine item. So any item, there is another coupon for that. Not going inside the book, that was just a cover for Smart Source. Now we're going to go inside, and inside we see certain products for burning and pain, and the coupon is $2, and then the other one is for $3. Next, we receive a coupon for cosmetics. This is for Rimmel, and it says 2 off any Rimmel products. We usually see coupons that is mostly specified either for face, or a lot of cases it's mostly for the eye. So this is good that it's $2 off any Rimmel products. So I'm going to see if there's any deals coming up that we could pair up that coupon. Let's see when it does. I can't tell when it expires, so hopefully it expires way later on, so we could take advantage of it and use in store. Of course, following all the guidelines. That's what I'm saying, in the future. So hopefully in the future, when that coupon expires, there's deal, and we are allowed to go out and and everything is back to normal. I don't know. I do miss it. It is scary. It is sad. Everything that's happening. So we continue to do our part. So hopefully we are finishing up with what's going on. So I hope you guys are staying safe. So let's go ahead and continue with the Smart Source. These 2 pages you're going to see is all about Claritin. Sadly, look at these. It's just 1 week only. I wish a lot of these inserts, the expiration is extended, because we are missing out on a lot of great deals. You really don't want to be in the store. You really don't want to go out. Sometimes it takes so much longer in some cases. But yeah, these are expiring in a week. But there's other ones in the book. As you see, the whole page is all for Claritin, and there's other coupons there. So far we see 3 of them are expiring in a week. Then we move on. We have 2 more coupons for Claritin, but it does specify this is Claritin D, and it's a non-drowsy. And then we have another one underneath. It depends on the count as well. But right on the top is interesting. This is called Sol, and it's by Jergens. I have not seen this. So it looks like a new product packaging brand. It's called Self Tanner Collection from Jergens, and this is Save 3. So usually when a new product is released, at least when I started couponing, I used to see them. When a new product was released, we will see a lot of coupons, very high value. It was a great way to promote us, to get it, and a lot of the times were for so little and very cheap, and we got to try the product. So that's a good way that I'm still seeing this years later, at least for this brand. I have not seen it in the store. I did not check if it's online yet. I will check if there is a deal to see if we're able to use this coupon, and hopefully it expires way later on. That I will have to check and soon, because I can't tell the expiration date for the Sold by Jergens. The following page we have is Stonyfield Organic. This is different type of yogurt. In this case, you're able to use it of any 3 single serve products, and then it's very specific what you can use the coupon for. So that's for Stonyfield, and right underneath we have Dr. Scholl's. So glad to see 2 coupons, but they do expire in 2 weeks. It's letting you know right there. Moving on, we have Finish, 2 coupons for Finish, and then underneath that coupon we have Scotch Brite. This one is $1 off 2. Glad to see that coupon. Usually I get deals for this at Target and sometimes in Publix. At Publix I've used this coupon, so maybe it's one that we could use way later on. Moving on, we have St. Joseph, 2 different coupons in that page. And then we continue with the next page, which is Sargento Balance Break Snacks. I really like these, and I'm glad we see another coupon deducting $1 off 1. I normally get these. Sometimes they're a really nice special at Publix. We were able to stock up everything. Once everything was happening, we're like, we need to stock up on stuff before anything was said. We knew that was a priority for us, and we were able to get so many of these because they were actually on special a few months back. I think it was the beginning of March, and so I'm glad that we are getting new coupons. And guys, I think this expires in July, so from here then I think we should be able to see another deal, at least in Publix. Right underneath we have Werther's Original. The coupon value is $1 off 2, and usually when I use this coupon in the past, it was only at Walgreens. I think that's the best place where I was able to get some deals for that brand. And then we just reached to the end of Smart Source. In the back we have Friskies. There's 2 different coupons there. I know, I'm surprised that during this time I didn't see more coupons for pet coupons. But at least there's 2 at the end of this insert. But keep in mind, guys, like I mentioned, it does vary by region. So everybody might be getting some of these coupons. Maybe the value might change, but keep in mind that it does vary by region. So guys, I hope you're staying safe. You was able to look through this insert together. This is from Bargains F&J. This is how her account looks like in Instagram. This is a coupon fairy. And as you see, the coupons are very great price. A lot of the times the price is already including the shipping and handling, and you just keep in mind whatever you want to buy. Usually for me, I used to buy 6 or 10 when I had my oldest living with me, but now since it's a family of 3 at home, I sometimes just get the 5, and I think that's pretty good. Sometimes I get 6, depending how many books are coming. So it's up to you, and this is her information. You get to see the price, and you could just go ahead and reach out to her. But remember, there's other coupon fairies as well in Instagram that I have tried, not only getting the books, but sometimes just getting the clip coupon. If I just want a specific coupon, that's another great way to get a coupon fairy. So guys, I hope you are staying safe, having a good week. Any printable coupons of the ones that I mentioned, I'm going to provide below if there's any. And don't forget to subscribe, because the best video for CVS for the new ad is I'm working on that already, so you don't miss out on that. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.